Hello guys, welcome back to the Chair Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Forza Horizon 5 error code FH301 update drivers error which is happening right now. So we're gonna talk about this and I'll be showing you how to fix this up. So before that, I'll be providing link in the description where you can read many articles on Forza Horizon and on our website Get Troy Tips. You can read the article if you wish to. And the issue regarding this one, which is FH301 update driver, is the issue regarding with your GPU drivers. So what you have to do is just have to update the driver. So I'll be providing link in the description for both NVIDIA as well as for the AMD drivers. So you can do accordingly on your graphic drivers. You can do this up. So if you're on the NVIDIA, you can select the respective one according to your system. For example, you can select in between. Then you have to select the product. Then operating system, if it is Windows 11, go for Windows 11. If it is Windows 10, go for Windows 10 64-bit or anything. Go accordingly according to your OS. Then you just have to go over here and search for it. Now you'll be getting the GeoForce Game Ready driver. So you just have to download it. So as you can see, you just have to click on download icon, so it will get downloaded. So I'll be pausing this. So this is for the NVIDIA, and once it is done, you just have to install this. After that, you have to play the game and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. Same way, if you're on the AMD drivers, you have to update the driver in the same way. So where you have to select the graphics over here. Now from here, you have to select the respective graphics card over here, and you have to select the respective one. And if it is AMD Radeon, in most cases it used to be, so you have to select AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT. Go for submit. Once you give all the specifications, you will be getting an option like this. From here on Windows 11, you have to download if it is Windows 11. If it is for Windows 10 64-bit, you can download for Windows 10. And even for Windows 7, you have many more options. So basically it used to be end up in Windows 11 or Windows 10 64-bit. So you have to download the respective drivers from here. You can download. As you can see, it's getting downloaded. So these are the basic way for both the NVIDIAs as well as for the AMD. Once it is done, you just have to install this and you just have to play the game, and most probably, you have to update the graphic drivers and you have to play the game, and most probably issue will be completely fixed. And this is Shahin officially signing off from Get Tips. Peace out. Bye.